Ever felt like your money's slipping through your fingers? You're not alone. PocketGuard's here to save the day, but what if you need a little extra help? How do you actually get in touch with their support team? PocketGuard is a fantastic tool to help you budget and save money. It's intuitive, easy to use, and can be a real game changer for your financial health. However, like any tool, there might be times when you encounter a problem or have a question. So, how do you get in touch with PocketGuard's support team? Let's break it down. In-app support. Check the Help Center. This is often the quickest way to find answers. Look for articles and FAQs related to your specific issue. Submit a ticket. If you can't find the answer you need, you can usually submit a ticket directly from the app. This will allow you to describe your problem in detail and attach any relevant screenshots. Email support. Find the right email address. You can usually find the correct email address for support on PocketGuard's website or in their app settings. Write a clear and concise email. Be sure to include as much detail as possible about your issue, including any error messages or specific steps you've taken to try to resolve it. Social media. Connect on social media. Many companies, including PocketGuard, have active social media accounts. You can try reaching out to them on platforms like Twitter or Facebook. Be patient and polite. Remember, social media is a public forum, so it might take some time for them to respond. Be patient and polite in your message. Tips for effective communication. Be specific. The more specific you are about your problem, the easier it will be for the support team to understand and help you. Be patient. It can take some time to get a response, especially during peak times. Be polite. A polite and respectful tone can go a long way in getting a positive response. Be persistent. If you don't get a response after a few days, try reaching out again through a different channel. By following these tips and using the appropriate channels, you should be able to get the help you need from PocketGuard's support team. Remember, patience and persistence are key. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.